Welcome to Stats World Facts. The art of wearing mask. According to World Health Organization instructions, to control COVID-19, wearing mask is important, then how to wear mask is important too. Art of wearing mask is do and don't. Let get into the video. Before get in, subscribe and join with me. Press notification bell icon for quick updates. Now let's check in. How to wear a non-medical fabric mask safely. Do inspect the mask for damage, or if it's dirty, check out twice, then don't. Do not use a mask that looks damaged. Do clean your hands before touching the mask, then don't wear a loose mask. Do adjust the mask to your face without leaving gaps on the sides, then don't wear the mask under the nose. Do cover your mouth, nose, and chin, then don't remove the mask where there are people within me to maintain distance. Avoid touching the mask, then don't. Use a mask that is difficult to breathe through. Breathing is important. Wear space-full mask. Clean your hands before removing the mask. Do not wear a dirty or wet mask. It virus affects easily in mask. Do remove the mask by the straps behind the ears or head, then don't share your mask with others. It's very dangerous. Pull the mask away from your face, then store the mask in a clean plastic, resellable bag if it is not dirty or wet and you plan to reuse it. Remove the mask by the straps when taking it out of the bag. Wash the mask in soap or detergent, preferably with hot water, at least once a day. Clean your hands after removing the mask. Hand wash regularly is must to stay safe. That's it. Take care. Give thumbs up for the video, comment and share the video to help others. Thanks for watching. See you again.